Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be removing and installing fuel cooler lines on a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD with LinesToGo part number FL591-A. This set of lines is made from G2 Galfan coated steel tubing, but we also make this set in stainless steel with the part number SS591-A. While this particular installation is on a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, this set of lines will also work for the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made from G2 Galfan coated steel tubing for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors of the connections. Tools required are a 13mm socket and ratchet, a 16mm wrench, a flat blade screwdriver, a drain pan, LinesToGo disconnect tool part number 5230-01, and a floor jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting both batteries using a 10mm socket. Release the two quick connect fittings at the top of the fuel cooler using the LinesToGo disconnect tool, part number 5230-01. Using a 13mm socket, remove the bolt at the bottom of the fuel cooler furthest from the frame, and also remove the bolt located at the frame. Remove the fuel cooler from the vehicle. We will be replacing the lines on the fuel cooler with LinesToGo part number FL591-A. Remove the two threaded fittings on the fuel cooler with a 16mm wrench. Tech note: use a wrench or pliers to hold the fitting on the cooler to avoid putting force on it and potentially causing a leak. To install your new LinesToGo cooler lines, start the threaded fittings by hand and tighten using a 16mm wrench. Position the fuel cooler into place and secure it using a 13mm socket to tighten the two bolts. Install the two quick connect fittings at the top of the fuel cooler. On the passenger side of the engine, locate the fuel filter. To bleed the air out of the fuel system, use a flat blade screwdriver to loosen the plastic bleeder screw and pump the primer bulb until you stop seeing bubbles and there is a steady flow of fuel. Then tighten the bleeder screw, being careful not to strip it as it is only plastic. Use a 10mm socket to reconnect both batteries. This concludes the installation of fuel cooler lines on a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD with LinesToGo part number FL591-A. While this set of lines was made from G2 Galfan coated steel tubing, we also sell the same set of lines in stainless steel with LinesToGo part number SS591-A. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linetogo.com or check out our website link below. And don't forget to take advantage of our free 2-day shipping. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button below, and we will see you on our next video.